Hello, Mouse Diva fans. And it looks like Mickey is a little busy today, being center court here basically at the All-Star Sports Resort. So he's allocated that the Mouse Diva is going to give you guys a tour.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone.
Welcome to your standard all-star sports room. So, other than these two things do not come with the room. You have your standard table and chair, mirror, light, your all-star 1990s wall border. I've always liked this little section, put little things on. And you've got 3 drawers, your standard refrigerator. I like that the All-Stars have the hat and coat racks. I love these because I always have ball caps. Your little Mickey and Donald privacy curtain. There we go. So this area is large enough to put a little, what do you mean, a porta crib. Oh, it's been a long time. It will stick out some, but it still gives you that room. And if you don't have a porta crib, this is an awesome section to keep suitcases, along with, as soon as we came in, we just stacked ours right there. So also right there, your typical nightstand, 1 drawer. We always like to put snacks down there for some reason. I don't know. That just ends up how we end up doing it. And all right, standard bath with your H2O products down there, bar soap, shampoo, and conditioner. String for wet bathing suits. And your small, narrow safe, but hey, it's good enough to hold a wallet. Ironing board, hair dryer, more soap, 1 vanity sink, and extra storage for suitcases and whatnot's up here. And that's it. Just to let you know that, oh, you moved the luggage rack. Normally it's over here. So just let you know on some outlet situations. Not a lot in these types of room. So you got 1 by this bed, which is where I end up always plugging up my phone, as I'll sleep in this bed and know that I need to get off on this side of the bed so that I don't step on my phone that will be laying in the floor right here. Be 1 outlet available back here, and then the other outlet, yep, and then you've got an outlet here to charge things, and that is it. If I remember correctly, there's not, oh no, there is. I was thinking this wall, but there is 1 here. So the same situation, plug your phone here if you want to, lay it on the floor if you need to. All right, that's it. That is your room. This boy not included. Special note, just remember that the value resorts do not give you coffee. They don't have coffee makers like the other moderates and deluxe do. Do you guys notice that Huey, and Louie are holding a baseball bat, ball, and glove in the tennis section, while Donald is getting pretty upset because he's ready to play tennis. However, they're goofing off as usual. Notice how you have regular cement, but then when you go through the walkway of the Surf's Up, it's like a pier, like a boardwalk, and then the cement again. So again, nice theming. I have heard from other guests that the touchdown section, just because you've got such a large open field, can be pretty loud sometimes at night, because people will come out here and actually play ball and scream and just having a good time while other people are trying to sleep. So just FYI on that. Love how the railings up there have stadium fans. And this is really, you can't really get the whole concept of it on video, but this is really a large space. Like how they've done the Mickey head on the turf here. And of course, with something like this, they have to put a no climbing sign. In this section, the stairs are located in the football. And the furthest back is going to be the baseball section, with your quiet pool, your bathrooms are in the little stands there. Let's check out the laundry room. Drinks, snacks. Actually, people are doing their laundry. And you use a credit or debit card. That is all that you can use. Looks like the quiet pool here goes up to a little above 5 feet. And I would like to point out, I am very disappointed with Disney. Because do you see that pennant right there? That one kind of hidden right there? Why is the St. Louis Cardinals one kind of on the side being hidden? I have an issue with that. A big issue. It should be way out here in the front. Not hidden. Oh, I feel better. I didn't see that one. Okay, I'm good now. I take back my complaint. There is a Cardinals one right there on the front. Okay, I'm okay now. I can deal with this. Mr. Mouse Diva will be very happy to know that the Duke pennant is right out in front, since he is a graduate of Duke. To show you how close this is to All-Star Music, we're at the end section of like Surf's Up is right here. The tennis section is right here. And if you look right across this parking lot, that building over there, that is All-Star Music. Back in the little wooded area between the touchdown section and Surf's Up is a playground with sand.
Who wants their own ship? Gabe, your ship's over there.
Yay, and there is a bench for parents to sit and relax. And this show you basically about where it is. This is Stadium Hall, so the main building, so the playground's not far from that. So if you can see the brown there in the grass, that's shrubs they've cut off that actually make a star. They're just looking a little rough right now. It is February after all. And FYI, Jiminy Cricket wants you to recycle. Just saying. Do your part, people.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.